The brief was to create something never seen before, the ultimate celebration of Phantom. It's not that we set out to design and craft the most complex wood set ever, but that is what it has become. We took all the in-house knowledge from previous projects and enhanced these further with crafts that are new to Rolls-Royce. By combining these technologies, we have pushed the blackwood veneer to its sculptural limits.
What I love about this project is that the marquetry pieces are all angled differently. By applying the veneer at different angles, we have brought to life what would have otherwise been a very dark surface.
We've also created more of a tactile experience with the addition of 3D marquetry pieces. This three-dimensional approach adds depth, inviting the occupants to explore the motor car surfaces and textures with their hands as we sculpt the landscape of the veneer. The final touch is gold leafing. This remarkable wood treatment represents a completely new form of wood sculpting and a significant evolution of contemporary craft.